I get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last.
Good morning, guys. My voice is literally almost gone. Guess where I am? I am finally here in Amalfi Coast, Italy. I am so happy and so excited to be here. This is giving very much like Morocco vibes. The view is beautiful. Breakfast has been served. I just woke up and I'm feeling very grateful. The views are just breathtaking. This video is sponsored by Hawaiian Tropic. So thank you so much, Hawaiian Tropic, for sponsoring this video. You guys know this is a sunscreen brand I have been using since last year. And honestly, I have fallen in love with the brand. And let me just show you guys the view. Let me show you guys the view.
Let it go. 얼어붙어 like whoa. 띵하고 어지러워. I see. 한여름에도 난 겨울.
Before I run off exploring the beautiful town of Amalfi, guys, this view is still so breathtaking. I am going to be protecting my skin, of course, using my Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration Weightless Oil-Free Sunscreen Lotion. This is SPF 30. I love the fact that it's oil-free, and this literally protects my skin from UVA and UVB rays. As you guys can see, when I apply it, it doesn't leave a cast. Look at that, it just like blends into my skin. It feels like it's barely on, you guys know. And look at it, gives me this lovely beautiful glow. I'm going to go ahead and just like apply this on my neck as well. Okay guys, so we are heading out now. This is my outfit, very simple, just to kind of like walk around, talk to the hotel concierge to help us plan a boat ride for tomorrow, and just to like see what they offer, because like opposite my room they have like these little cute stores and these cute little boutiques that have very vibrant pieces, and I think I want to get like maybe 1 or 2 items. Pretty much exploring the little town of Positano, and the prices of like shoes, clothes, bags are quite expensive. As you guys saw, those pair of sandals cost around like 350 euros, but it's because everything is handmade. You usually see them in the stores making the sandals from scratch, which I think is really good. Hey guys, so we are at the Faro bar. I'm staying outside here to eat some lunch, but honestly it's so hot. I'm kind of regretting that decision, so I'm going to ask to be moved inside. I kind of wanted to stay out here because the views are spectacular, but honestly this heat, this sun. So once my food comes, I'm going to show you guys. I'm really excited to eat because I didn't really get to eat that much in Paris for some reason. So right here, I'm not making that same mistake twice, and I'm going to literally explore every single restaurant, every single bar, and get my fill of some good, yummy food and drinks, okay? So after exploring and having that yummy lunch, I'm on my way to Amalfi. We are going to be taking the ferry that's going to take us over there around 4 o'clock. Right now it's about 1:30, so I'm going to do like a very quick beauty afternoon routine. I'm going to be keeping my makeup very light and showing you guys my final outfit for this little trip. So let's get right into it. Now that my makeup is done, this is my cute sundress that I got from House of CB. I'm going to go in with my Hawaiian Tropic weightless sunscreen and literally just apply this all over my body. It feels as if it's barely on. It doesn't clog your pores, but it literally provides you with so much moisture and so much protection from the sun. And I love the fact that it's water and sweat resistant for up to 80 minutes. So I actually like carrying this in my bag, and then I apply this as needed throughout the entire day. Hey guys, so we are literally done with our makeup. We're heading down this steep stairs to go catch the ferry to Amalfi. Okay, so it's going to be like a 5-minute walk down the stairs. Apparently there are about 400 stairs to get to the beach, and then the ferry itself is 25 minutes. I feel like going down is going to be easy, but coming back up,
oh my god,
it's going to be, I'm telling you, it's going to be a freaking struggle. Hey guys, so it looks like we have finally arrived to the pier. I'm about to go get the boat right now to take us to Amalfi, so fingers crossed, let's go. So we made it to the ferry. This is literally my first time on any type of ferry, and I am so happy that, you know, this year I'm prioritizing travel. It's been a very, very rewarding experience, and I highly recommend. I just also love the fact that I'm in this very like tiny little city off the coast of Italy. It's given very much like Eat, Pray, Love. It's given
sugar daddy.
So we are finally on the streets of Amalfi, and I'm looking for a shop that literally has gelato with... Look, these guys have it. These guys. Oh, look, everyone is eating it. I think it might be there. Oh, it's there. Guys, so I literally got my sorbet. So it's lemon and strawberry sorbet inside a lemon. How cute is that? Good morning, my beautiful darlings. Today is looking like a no makeup day for me. We are headed on the private boat tour to Capri. However, I packed my makeup in my bag, and I want to show you guys like my outfit. It's this 2-piece set from Zara, and I have my bikini underneath. I don't know, I was about to just flash you guys, but yeah, I have my bikini underneath. This is pretty much my outfit. Hey guys, so we are finally leaving the shores of Positano, and we are on a little very cute private boat on the way to Capri. I think I've decided to do my makeup. I'm going to do like my eyebrows and my lips and a little bit of concealer. Hey Hey guys, so we are finally here in Capri. This is the picturesque spot that everyone wants to get their photos in. My makeup is, let me show you guys. My makeup is kind of done. I kept it very, very light. And I just changed into my bikini, as you guys can see. So once I take my photos, I'll check back in with you guys when I'm having lunch.
Car, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. Miles inside these shoes, so I don't stomp, I tiptoe. Fell 1,000 times and still I roll no limp though. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm back. Cheers to my past, I'm doing great now, just in case.
Hey guys, so we literally just got off the boat. We're in this little other tiny one. We're gonna go have some lunch by the water. And yeah, this
follow and subscribe, so follow and subscribe, okay?
Yes,
thumbs up, okay?
Thank you. It's a vibe, guys, it's a vibe. So we literally got here to the restaurant, and as you guys saw, this restaurant is only accessible by boat, which I think is so freaking cool. So once my food gets here, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm really, really excited to be eating their lobster pasta today.
Ma jolie, oh ma jolie. Ah yeah, eh. Every time I come around you, baby girl, something doesn't feel the same. You said that I'm changing, but it's really you. I see how you play those games. Wifey type for a maid man. A queen can make moves, a king can't. Snatch you up, now you taking. Gave you bricks, now you building a wall up, wall up. Lately you and I've been all love, all love. I don't know what's up with us.
Guys, look at my plate.
This is $2.
I devour this shit. I ate it like my life depended on it. I ate it like I'm not gonna have food tomorrow. I ate it like it was my last meal on this earth. It was so good, guys. It was so good. The butter, the parsley, all the flavors were just like melting on my tongue, you know? So after we're done eating right now, I think we're gonna go into like Capri itself, like the city, and just like explore and see what the beautiful city of Capri has to offer. I feel like I've shown you guys a lot of water content in this vlog, but finally we are here in Capri. Notice how all the towns kind of look alike. It kind of looks like Positano, but a more luxe version of Positano. So we're literally just sitting down here and just chilling a little bit. I'm gonna have a slushie, and we're considering going to the village to just explore Capri a little bit more. But first we have to get a cold drink because it's really, really hot outside. Okay. Hey guys, so we literally just got here. We're about to have some drinks. No, don't worry, I'll read it. I want to take you. About to have some drinks. We obviously got here without a reservation, so we have to kind of wait. He said we have to wait till 9:30 p.m. at night, or we can also try. He's also gonna try to see if we can get a table in about 20 minutes. We don't know how it's going to go, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we're lucky and we're able to get a table in 20 minutes. If not, we'll just have to have some drinks for now and then come back later in the evening and have dinner. Hey guys, so I literally just had to change, and I just added this blazer and I wore like a pair of jeans. It's really, really cold, so I literally just have to go back and change a little bit, and hopefully like they still kept a table for us because he told us that a table is gonna be free in 10 minutes. So like I'm walking as fast as I can just so I don't miss this reservation. just taking in the view one last time. We just literally packed all our luggage. Our taxi guy is waiting downstairs to take us to the Naples train station, after which we're going to take a train directly to Rome and stay in Rome for like a day before we head back to Toronto. Hey guys, so we literally just got to the train station and we just gave them our bag to hold for us, and once it's time to board the train, they're gonna bring our luggage onto the train. I think I'm just gonna get a smoothie from this place. Look at the fresh fruits. So I'm literally about to do my makeup so we can go to the Coliseum and the fountain. As you guys can tell with my voice, I'm like freaking exhausted. Just got into the bless you. We just got into the hotel like 35 minutes ago, and I just kind of laid my hair again just so it looks a little bit decent because my lace was lifting. And you're good to go. You think I should do like a matte lip
Or red. Oh my god, red would look so good
with that dress?
Yeah. No, with this. Wait, you're not wearing this?
I should just wear this, right?
It doesn't look that wrinkled. It looks like it's the
fabric.
It's the look.
Okay, I'll do a red lip with this because it's a white shirt.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is pretty much my final look. My foundation looks a little bit lighter than my skin tone. Obviously I got a tan. Yeah, so just ignore that. I'm about to head out right now, but before I head out, I'm going to go in with my Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration Weightless Sunscreen Lotion and just apply this all over my body, especially my arms and my legs and my chest. My favorite thing about this sunscreen, apart from the protection it gives you, is how vibrant, glowy and healthy your skin looks without clogging your pores. Like I said earlier on, it's dermatologist tested and it doesn't feel greasy at all. You can find Hawaiian Tropic in Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, Rexall, any department store, including Amazon. So go ahead and check out the link in my bio. I think I have done Italy really well, and we have a flight to catch back to Toronto really soon, and we still have to pack and rest because your girl is exhausted, all of that traveling. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed. So make sure you guys hit the like, share, subscribe. You guys know the drill, and until next time, my loves, peace and love. Bye.